Yun, so we have a new series of our shear and moment diagram. Okay, so for our lecture today, in this video, we will be having our concentrated load, a single concentrated load. Okay, so we have, what are the values of the shear and moment at x, when the x kuno or at moment at 6 meters. Okay, so ibig sabihin, kung 6 meters, dito no, that is 6 meters, so dito siya papalo, that is a 6 meters. So determine the, and also determine the maximum bending moment. So una, hanapin natin yung shear and moment, or what is the value of the shear and a moment at this portion. And next is the maximum bending moment, or the maximum bending, of course. So, okay, solve natin to. We have here a support, so we have here our RA, and we have our RB. Okay, so in order for us to solve the shear and moment, so kailangan muna natin ma-solve yung ating mga reaction. So, meron tayong dalawang reaction, di ba? So, kailangan muna natin hanapin yan. Okay, so take a moment at A. So, mag-moment tayo dito ng A, at A is equal to 0. Summation of the moment based on the equilibrium in the statics. So, we have 10 RB, diba? That is the force, and then 4 times 6. The distance is 6 meters. So, okay? We have the value of 2.4 kilonewton. Or the reaction at B is equal to 2.4 kilonewton. That is our reaction at B. Hindi pa siya yung ating hinahanap. Okay, so next is summation of forces vertical. So yung forces natin vertical, we have dalawang RA and RB, tapos meron tayong 4 kilonewton. Okay? So lipat natin yung sa kabila yung RB, we have 4 minus 2.4. And we have the value of our reaction at A is equal to 1.6 kilonewton. Okay, so obviously, mas malaki yung ating magiging reaction sa B kasi mas malapit siya dito. Yung force natin or yung load natin of 4 kilonewton is mas malapit sa B. Okay, that's why mas malaki nga talaga dapat yung ating reaction sa B. Okay, so how about for the computation of the shear and moment? So since ready na tayo kasi nasolve na natin yung mga reaction, so we are now going to take the shear and moment diagram. Okay? So, this is for the shear. Okay, shear. Shear muna tayo. We have, aangat kasi tayo, di ba? Kasi yung reaction natin, that is 1.6. Okay, so we have 1.6. So, ano nga natin tong ano? Kasi yung ating calculator is may adds. Okay, so ganito yung mangyayari muna, no? We have 1.6. 1.6 kasi meron tayong reaction. Yung reaction natin, aangat siya. Diba? Aangat siya. That's why we have 1.6 here. At saka, next naman is, wala pang masyadong ganap. So, straight lang muna natin yung ating values. So, straight. Kasi walang loadings dito eh. Diba? Walang load. So mayroon tayong 1.6 pa din dito kasi yun yung ating value dito. At saka, meron siyang pababa na load that is 4 kilonewton. So, minus 4 kilonewton. Yung 1.6, bawasan natin ng 4 kilonewton. So, we have 2.4. Magiging negative. Diba? Kasi, ibig sabihin pag negative, bababa na siya dito sa ating axis or sa origin. So, lahat ng pababa or lahat ng nandito, diba, in this portion, dapat negative. Okay. Since wala tayong loadings dito, magiging straight lang to. Okay? Straight lang siya. So, ganun pa din, 2.4 at saka meron tayong 2.4 na load dito, babalik siya doon sa 0. Okay? That's how we draw the shear diagram. Okay, how about for the moment? Yung naman yung ating magiging problema, yung moment. So yung moment natin is actually that is the area of this one. Okay, solve muna natin yung area na yan. So what is the area of that one? We have 1.6, 'di ba? 1.6 at saka 6 meters yung length. 6 times 1.6, we have 9.6. Diba? That is the area, itong portion na to. Okay? So, next naman is, ito, hanapin natin yung area naman ito. That is 2.4 times 4. Kasi yung length nito is 4 meters. Okay? So, we have 9.6 pa din. Okay? 9.6 pa din yung ating area na yan. Okay? And then, of course, yung ating illustration, that is rectangular. So, ibig sabihin, next thing to do naman is magiging triangular yung ating illustration sa moment. Okay, so we have 9.6. Kanina, yung ating loadings yung sinasampa natin. Ngayon, yung ating yung ating mga areas na nito. That is 9.6. Dito siya papalo, yung 9.6. Okay, kasi 9.6 from 0 papunta dito, 9.6. At saka bababa siya, kasi negative to eh. Negative ng 9.6. So, magiging 0. Okay? So, how will we get the value of the shear and moment at 6? So, yung moment natin at 6 is equal to, of course, ito. At saka that is the maximum moment na din. So, the moment when x is equal to 9.6. The maximum moment is equal also to 9.6. At saka for the shear, when the x is 6, that is equal to yung maximum what as the value. Kasi yung shear natin is pwedeng dalawa. Ito, tapos ito. Kasi dito pumapalo yung ating shear. So, ibig sabihin, the maximum is 2.4. Diba? Kaya lang negative 2.4. Pero kung hinahanap mo naman is positive, yung hinahanap is positive, ibig sabihin 1.6. But if the case is, yung hinahanap lang is the maximum, syempre, doon tayo sa mas malaking moment. Okay? So, this is how we solve the shear and moment diagram for this